Did you know the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen? That's why it's called the lungs of the earth. Stretching across 5.5 million square kilometers, this incredible forest is home to 16,000 tree species, 2.5 million insect species, and animals like jaguars, pink river dolphins, and the mighty anaconda. But that's not all. The Amazon influences weather patterns across the globe and holds 20% of the planet's freshwater. It also absorbs billions of tons of carbon dioxide, helping to fight climate change. Sadly, the Amazon is under threat. Deforestation, mining, and wildfires are destroying this precious ecosystem. Over 17% of the forest has already been lost, and the consequences could be catastrophic for our planet. The Amazon isn't just a rainforest, it's a lifeline for the entire Earth. Let's come together to protect this wonder before it's too late. Subscribe now and share this video to raise awareness. The Amazon needs us, and we need the Amazon.